Hello guys, I just received this tripod small rig, which is one of the famous brands for professional photography, and it's one of the popular models being used by Sony. So let's open the box and see how it goes. Okay, when you place the order, normally before 4 p.m., it will arrive the next day, tomorrow. So I placed the order after 4 p.m., so it arrived the day after tomorrow. So it's pretty quick. It's a very solid box. Let's open. Okay, here we have the small rig. That's the head mount plate. Okay, separate. It's pretty nice packaging. And here comes the big ones. Small rig. Okay. Oh. Well, this WeChat group to join the group. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. So we open this. I just noticed this brand is also quite popular in some of the famous brands like Sony, Canon. Because Sony and Canon, they don't produce this tripod. Okay, now. Alright, it's a very professional one. Here you have this accessories. And this video head mount. Open this too. Okay. Oh, it should be like this, I think. Yeah. Okay. So here's the unboxing of today. It's one of pretty standards tripod, suitable for art cameras, professional photography. And okay, so just leave your comments welcome to subscribe my channel. I'm DIY Joe. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.